How to update WhatsApp business app. Hi everybody, welcome back. So if you want to update the WhatsApp business app on your device, you just have to make sure to follow these steps. First of all, you just want to make sure to check your internet connection. Scroll down a bit, there you have to check or long press the Wi-Fi icon or the mobile data that you're connected to. You could switch between mobile data as well as Wi-Fi as well. Now that you've checked your internet, you want to go to your app store or your Play Store and tap the search at the very bottom. You want to type in WhatsApp the business and make sure to update the app to the latest version by tapping on the update button. And if you want to make it smooth, you can simply go ahead and tap onto your side button, and then you could also refresh it, and that should also definitely help you out. So this way you are supposed to update the WhatsApp business app on your device. And if you're not able to do it, it could be because of the poor connectivity or that the app is updated already if you see this open button. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.